Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for stopping by. If you're a first-time visitor, my name is Alan. I do reviews on sneakers, sunglasses, literally anything that I pick up, a few travel vlogs and so on. And hey, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Now, for today's video, as you hear from the thumbnail and you already know, is the ASICS Gel-Kayano 12.1 in collaboration with Carnival of Bangkok. I think you can see it right there, the ASICS branding and so on. And this is a pair that I was really excited for. Now, before we jump into the contents of this video, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. For those that have watched my earlier travel videos and vlogs, you would know that I've been to Thailand a bunch of times. I love the city of Bangkok because it's so vibrant, it's rich in culture and all of that. I mean, yeah, I'm there for the street food, mostly mango sticky rice and all of that. But on all of my trips, I've always stopped by the Carnival store in Bangkok because they have quite a unique range of products. I mean, they do sell or work as a multi-brand retail store. So Nike, ASICS, Salomon and all of that. But they also produce their own apparel. I've had a pair of shorts, a couple of other things, but right now in my rotation, I just have this one pair of cargo shorts. But they've done some really unique collabs with the likes of Nike as well. Like they had this foldable tent chair and so on. So when I saw this pop up on my feed, I just knew I had to get it because A, the pair looks really beautiful. It's really unique in the way it's been constructed. B, of course, I need something that's associated with Thailand. It just feels a little closer to home, if I can call it that. Well, closer to travel home, maybe. And the rich storytelling of this pair was just so phenomenal that I just had to get it. And shout out to my friend Omkar in Mumbai who helped me land this pair. And then Varuna brought it down. I just got my hands on these. I think they released about a couple of weeks ago during the Songkran festival, you know, the Water New Year-ish festival. And now let's dive into the product. I've been rambling on for too long. So this pair was released to celebrate 15 years of Carnival. I think they started out somewhere in 2010, 2011. But anyway, 15 years of Carnival. And I picked up my true size. And this pair is called Hidden Layers of Phra Nakhon. Now as I lift this box open, oh actually I missed an important detail. This design on the box, you see that? It's inspired by the Thai Chula Kite. Now there was this friends and family packaging of this very pair, which was mind-blowing. It came in this hexagonal box. It had a Chula Kite in it, very much to this design. It had a bandana, it had a dust bag, it had a tote, I think. Alternate laces, which this pair luckily also has. And of course the pair itself. That packaging and storytelling was so mind-blowing. Alright, let's get the pair out of the box. And shlabam! There you have it. The ASICS Gel-Kayano 12.1 by Carnival Bangkok. You know, the color code is quite interesting because the color code reads green basil, like cream and green basil, like you can see right there. And you know, stir-fried, what is it called? Parkra pao? I might be butchering the pronunciation, but that is my favorite dish, which is like minced meat with rice and basil. So it's interesting to see that the color theme as well, the color code is green basil. This now is something I've never seen on a pair before, but I think they've done it to reduce returns. I mean, reduce returns of people wearing the pair and then sending it back. But it says, no return if the seal is broken, therefore ensuring you don't misuse their customer-friendly return policies. But hey, ever since Off-White made this cool, I think people would still wear it and walk around. Now this pair is called the Hidden Layers of Phra Nakhon. Now Phra Nakhon is this historical district or neighborhood in Bangkok that's very rich in cultural heritage and history and so on. And that's what the founders of Carnival picked as an inspiration, I would think, with the designer to develop this pair. Man, first things first, I gotta tell you, this pair is quite heavy. Now, the Gel-Kayano 12.1, I've never owned a pair, but from what I know, it's got the uppers of the Gel-Kayano 12. The tooling that you see, like your midsole, outsole, it's from a Gel Nimbus 17. Now, the Gel Nimbus 17 was developed as an all-out marathon shoe, so the comfort should be really good on it. However, I just can't see this weight being on a marathon shoe. Now, the Gel-Kayano 12 came out in 2006, so 10 years anniversary, you would probably call it. And now let's go through the details, because man, this pair is beautiful. Starting off with the first thing that caught my attention is this crochet knit upper. Look at this beautiful detail. It's all through the pair, even on the heel counter. You see that proper crochet knit kind of a finish. That's, I think, the one that caught my attention, and I really wanted to get my hands on it. And like I was saying, hidden layers, you can see some hits of colors popping up from under the crocheted area. Like here on the heel, you can see a bit of different colors as well. So that's quite nice. Second thing is a Thai Kanaf motif. For instance, you'll see it right here in the way the stitch goes up, the way the toe box has been shaped right here, and you'll catch a glimpse of that right here as well in how this peaks up right here. Quite interesting. Now the ASICS stripes going from green to blue, that's very much akin to the road signs in Bangkok. I mean, I've only been to Bangkok in Thailand, so I can't speak for the rest of the country, but you see blue bays and green area call out signs, or some signs also have a mix of green and blue. So that's very synonymous with it. A nice silver, as you would expect to see on an ASICS pair, panel right here on the toe box, in here where the lace eyelets go through, and also around here. On the back, of course, your heel counter, this thing is quite solid. You see a tiny ASICS logo right there. On the tongue, again, much like the road sign inspiration, you have the ASICS done in green and blue, and it's got this nice exposed tongue, deconstructed. Overall, so well put together. And another interesting thing is that because it's got these, in terms of comfort, because it's got these nice gel inserts on the forefoot and on the heel area, and of course I was telling you how the Gel Nimbus was a marathon shoe, it does quite a great job of absorbing the shock. But look at the texture on the midsole. Otherwise, it looks like it's been sprayed on. Like, you know, it's supposed to represent the concrete, like a very urban texture. You know, Bangkok has this very gritty kind of a feel on it. What does that say? Fluid ride. Yeah, fluid ride. Man, the more I look at it, it's like I'm discovering new things on this pair. But like I was saying, Bangkok has this very gritty kind of a concrete, like the alleyways and all of that. The roads I call it. The alleyways have concrete finishes on it, or it's done in concrete rather. And it has that very gritty vibe, which is what they have gotten on in this midsole with a spray kind of a finish. And of course, you have the Chula Kite reference, like I was talking about on the box. Oh, your spare set of laces in this vibrant green. I think I'm gonna swap them out and put this green lace on. Actually, I'm quite undecided. The white laces do look nice because you just have that pop of green here and on the side right there. Undecided really. Let's see, we'll see. But allow me to pull out the insole, because that's where you also have some extra additional references from both the pairs, because they're slightly different. All right, on the left pair, you have the insole, as you can see right here, with that Chula Kite design. You have this splatter kind of a finish on the back of it. But hey, there you see the ASICS Gel-Kayano 12.1. That's the left pair. And on the right pair, similar pattern, but you have this sewn on label with Carnival, and that's to celebrate 15 years of Carnival since they've been in existence. Now, I know that there's a flagship store in a very popular district, shopping area. I can't recollect the name of Carnival, but the only Carnival store that I've been to is in, is it Icon Siam? No, Central World, in the Central World Mall. I even picked up a pair of Carnival in collaboration with Mr. Sabotage, a pair of these mules or clogs. Those were worn quite a bit by me. Now the outsole, of course, your typical Gel Nimbus 17 outsole, and you have the fluid ride structure, right? You see the text right here for fluid ride, and that's the structure right there. Make sure your pronation and all of that is on point. Now, interesting details on the upper. One last bit. On the left pair, you have the ASICS branding done right here, and it says Carnival on the top, whereas on the right pair, it says Gel-Kayano in white, and then you can see that subtle 12.1 right there. And it says Carnival in the Thai script. Your sock liner done in blue, so that the green, as you see, it blends into blue, and then the sock liner is all blue. I think it's a lot more visible on the medial side. You see the green going on to blue, and there you have the sock liner. Well, that's it for the review. Let me slip these on feet and show you what they look like. As I undo the laces, you can see that crocheted finish extending over to the tongue as well, so a better view of the pair overall. All right, we gotta cut off this tag, hopefully in one swift motion, and shlabam, it's done. All right, in you go. And this is the top down view. The fit is absolutely perfect, and I personally think the pair is stunning. Like, you can see the difference in the toe boxes, right? Those hidden layers showing up through the crocheted surface. So it's very, well, not identical. A bit of red hit right there and so on. I think I like the gray or white laces nicer on it. And here is the side view. A sleeper hit. I think this one flew under the radar, and I'm really happy I got my hands on them. I have a pair of Gel-Kayano 14s, I guess, the Jaun collab, which seem to me on feet to be a lot more sleeker than this pair. This pair, when I look down at it, gives me a proper chunky, you know, here for a good time kind of a vibe. But you know, the comforts, what you'd come to expect of the Gel-Kayano series, plush yet firm. So no complaints there. All right, that's it for the video, you guys. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I appreciate you. Or do I say kapun kap? I'll see you on the next one. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.